guys, today I'm going to show you how to make vegan flour tortillas. Very simple recipe using only 4 ingredients. Let's get started. We'll start out with 4 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of refined coconut oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir this up really good. We're going to be adding 1.5 cups of hot water. Not too hot to burn yourself. What makes these vegan flour tortillas is that I'm not using any lard. And also, instead of shortening, I have refined coconut oil. The dough feels nice and warm. I'm going to go ahead now, take it out of the bowl and put it on my counter. You're going to want to knead your dough for about 5 or 6 minutes at least. You can go up to 10. If it gets a little sticky, just add a little dab of flour just to keep it from sticking to the counter while you're kneading, but not too much. Another great thing about these tortillas is that they don't have all the preservatives that you would get in a store-bought flour tortilla. These are also made with organic flour. I've tried a lot of different tortilla recipes at home because we love fresh tortillas, and this one seems to be the best so far. And give that another light sprinkle. Nice and soft dough, not sticking. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut it into 16 pieces, or however many I get, 16, maybe a little more. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little flour on my counter. Roll it out into a long log. Almost got these all into balls. Gonna turn on the heat. I have my cast iron skillet ready, so I'm gonna put it on like a medium-high heat. So you want to get your counter nice and floured again. And get the rolling pin floured up. Make sure your skillet is nice and hot. Sometimes the first tortilla doesn't work out if your pan's not hot enough. There you go. Nice and soft. Drop that right in the pan.
What y'all doing?
Our first flour tortillas in the pan. That's the first tortilla Bella took out. Next one.
Wait, let me see this. Is it ready?
Yep, let's tear it, see how it tears.
Jeez. This is good. It's some good stuff right here.
Don't use this technique. He's destroying my tortillas.
Okay, so we got our nice flour tortillas made. Yum, look at that, nice and soft. Can roll it up. I'm gonna make some quesadilla now with vegan cheese.
These came out good. I had two of them and they were good. You gotta put them with frijoles though, not just cheese.
All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Frijoles, not cheese. Frijoles.
We'll go with the cheese.